Okay, intermediate, let's try another one. Just to sort of help you with how to figure out what you have to make both the values. It's a LCD sort of concept. Like, since this is an 8 and a 6, it's sort of like if you had fractions where you had an 8 on the 6 in the bottom and you were trying to figure out what the LCD was, it would be 24, okay? Now, by the way, if you can't remember how to do the LCD, you can always take the highest number and keep adding it to itself until both numbers go into it. If you're not sure how to find the LCD, take the highest number, keep adding it to itself until both numbers go into it. So if I was going to get rid of the x's, I'd have to make them both 24. That would be the number that would make the x's eliminate. Now for the y's, similar idea. The LCD for them would be 36. So you would want to make, for the y's, you'd want to make both the numbers 36. It's an LCD concept when you're trying to figure out what they both need to be. And again, if you get confused with how to find the LCD, take the highest number, keep adding it to itself until both numbers go into it. That kind of idea. So if I eliminate the y's, I need to use 36. Now, you could do either of these. You could make these 24. You could make these 36. It doesn't matter. I'm just going to make a suggestion that if you pick the smaller one, all the numbers everywhere will be smaller, which will make probably doing the problem easier, in my guess, in my estimate, okay? So I'm going to stick with this. I'm going to multiply the top row by 3, all of it, and I'm going to multiply the bottom row by 4, all of it. They're already opposite, so I don't have to worry about the sign. Okay, so you can see we have something interesting going on here. Now I'm going to add these. By the way, you can always subtract them. You can add or subtract them. I will just always add them, not to get people confused. All right, so now this adds to 0 and this adds to 0. So you have to note that the left side is 0. That's where a student tends to make a mistake. They don't note that the left side there's nothing left, and on the right side it's 0. Because once your variables fall away, it means it's one of those special cases. So I can see here that I have one of those special cases. Okay, remember at the end here I said for these two on the end, the variables would fall away and either you're going to get a false statement or true statement. So if you notice, 0 equals to 0 is a true statement. So this is the case where the lines are overlapping on each other. And so this is going to be all solutions. So the answer to this one is all solutions. Okay, I'm going to end this one here.